Hello friends, welcome to Twincy Study. This is our first English version of video where we are telling you about the RTO code list and their distances from the national capital. We are covering this detail as per our last RTO general information detail video. So there we go. The list of state codes along with distance from Indian capital. The first one is HR01, that is for Ambala city, that is 203 km from national capital. HR2 is for Yamunanagar, it's 186 km from New Delhi. The next is HR03 for Panchkula city, which is 270 km from national capital. HR04 is for Narayangarh city, which is 253 km from Delhi. HR05 is for Karnal city, 147 km from New Delhi. Next we have the HR06 Panipat city, 89.3 km from national capital. HR07 Kurukshetra city, 185 km from New Delhi. The next we are covering HR08, which is the Kathal city, 160 km from national capital. HR9 is for Guhla city. Please note that there is no railway station exit. It's 196 km from New Delhi. Next, we are having HR10. It's for Sonipat city, 46.9 km from New Delhi. The next we are covering HR11, that is Gohana city, 71.9 km from national capital. HR12 is for Rohtak city, 60.8 km from New Delhi. HR13 is for Bhadugarh city, which is 19.3 km from New Delhi. We are also covering the railway station codes for that. HR14 is for Jhajjar city, which is 50.5 km from national capital. HR15 is for Maham city, which is 94.1 km from New Delhi. There is no railway line. HR16 is for Bhiwani city, which is 108 km from New Delhi. The next one we are having HR17 is for Siwani city, which is 166 km from New Delhi. There we go. We have the HR18 for Loharu city. It's 150 km from New Delhi. HR19 is for Charkhi Dadri city, which is 97.2 km from New Delhi. HR20, that is well known, Hisar city. It's 162 km from New Delhi. HR21, the Hansi city, which is 133 km from New Delhi. HR22 is for Fatehbad city, which is 212 km from New Delhi. HR23 is for Tohana city, which is 204 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR24, which is for Sirsa city, and its distance from New Delhi is 254 km on National Highway 9. HR25 is for Dabwali city. Distance from New Delhi is 308 km. HR26, it's well known IT city, Gurgaon city, it's 44 km from New Delhi. 27 is for Nuh city, which is known as Nuh city, 104 km from New Delhi. HR28 is for Firozpur, Jirka city, 139 km from New Delhi. HR29 is for Ballabgarh city. Distance from Delhi is 65.9 km. HR30 is for Palwal city, 85.4 km from New Delhi. HR31 is for Jean city, that is 153 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR32 Narwana city, 190 km from New Delhi. The next we have HR33 RTO code Safido city, 108 km from New Delhi. 34, it's for Mahendragarh city, 152 km from New Delhi. HR35 is for Narnaul city, 170 km from New Delhi. HR36 is for Rewari city, which is 97.5 km from New Delhi. HR37 is for Ambala city, and HR37 is the commercial vehicle number for Ambala. HR38 is for Faridabad city, 56.7 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 39. It's a commercial number for Hisar city, 162 km from New Delhi. HR 40 is for Asan city, which is 146 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 41, Pehowa city, which is near Ambala. It's from 187 km from New Delhi. HR 42 is for Ganor city, which is 161.1 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 43, Kosli city, 80 km from New Delhi. HR 44 is for Elnabad city, that is 290 km from New Delhi on National Highway 9. HR 45 is the commercial vehicle number for Karnal, 147 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 46. It's for Rohtak city, that is commercial number for Rohtak city, 60.8 km from New Delhi. The next is HR 47, which is 97.5 km from New Delhi. HR 48 is for Tosham city, 142 km from New Delhi. HR 49 is for Kalka city, 288 km from New Delhi. HR 50 is for Hodal city, 116 km from New Delhi. HR 51 is for Faridabad city. It's a commercial vehicle number for Faridabad. HR 52 is for Hattin city, 103 km from New Delhi. HR 53 is for Mandi Adhampur, which is 209 km from New Delhi. HR 54 is for Brara city, 224 km from New Delhi. HR 55 is for Gurgaon city, commercial number, North Zone. Next we have the HR 56 for Jean city, and that is the commercial number for Jean. HR 57 is the commercial number for Sirsa city, 254 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 58. It's for Yamunanagar city, the commercial number for Yamunanagar, HR 58, 186 km from New Delhi. HR 59, we have the Ratia city, 236 km from New Delhi. There is no railway station. Its nearest is Bareta. HR 60 is for Samalakha city, 71.9 km from New Delhi. HR 61 is the Bhiwani city, commercial number, 108 km from New Delhi. HR 62 is for Fatehabad city, commercial number, 212 km from New Delhi. Next we have the HR 63 is for Jajjar city, commercial number, 50.5 km from New Delhi. We have the HR 64 Kathal city, commercial number, 163 km from New Delhi. HR 65 is for commercial number of Kurukshetra city, 185 km from New Delhi. Next we have the HR 66 is for Narnaul city, commercial number, 170 km from New Delhi. There we go. We have HR 67 is for Panipat city, commercial number, 89 point from New Delhi. We have HR 68 for Panchkula city, commercial number, 270 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 69 Sonipat city, 43.7 km from New Delhi. HR 70 is for Chandigarh city, 244 km from New Delhi. CDG is the railway station code. HR 71 is for Bilaspur city, 213 km from New Delhi. BSP is the railway station code. HR 72 is for commercial number for South Zone for Gurgaon city. HR 73 is for Palwal city, commercial number, 85.4 km from New Delhi. HR 74 is for Mewat city, 116 km from New Delhi, no rail connection there. HR 75 is for Indri city, 173 km from New Delhi. 76 is for Patodi city, near to Gurgaon, 82.9 km from New Delhi. Next we have HR 77 is for Beri city, near to Jajjar, 60.4 km from New Delhi. HR 78 is for Shahabad, Markanda city, 205 km from New Delhi. HR 79 is for Kharkhoda city, 30.8 km from New Delhi. Next we have the HR 80 Barwala city, 164 km from New Delhi. Next we have the HR 81, it's for Bawal city, 103 km from New Delhi. That's it from Twincy Study. Thanks. Please like and subscribe on Twincy Study if found useful. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you so much.